For every routine or activity, you get to choose your very own icons. What we're going to cover in this video is how to create custom icons. These custom icons can be photos of anything. These custom icons are really helpful if your kid struggles to locate things in the house, for instance, or if a familiar photo makes them feel more comfortable using the device. In order to create your own custom icons from the mygoalie.com portal, go to Settings, and then click My Icons. From here, you'll be able to upload photos on your computer and make them into icons. Click Upload from Desktop, and then select the photo you want. Now you can zoom in with the blue slider, and drag and adjust the white circle to capture whatever part of the image you want. Once you're done, click Crop and Save. Now that you've created an icon, it's time to use it in either a routine or an activity. First, go to the Routines page, and then find the routine or activity you want to use. I'm going to use After School and Walk the Dog here. Click the Edit button, and then when it says Default or Custom Icon, select Custom Icon. Click the drop-down bar, and you'll be able to choose from any of your custom icons. I'm going to choose Teddy here. And once you click it, your new icon is selected. When you're done, click Save. And you'll now have a new custom icon for your activity. You can change your routines icon by clicking the Edit button in the routine page, and then selecting Custom Icon. Then click the drop down bar again, and you'll be able to choose your custom icon. Let's go over how to make a custom icon using the Goalie app. First, you need to choose a routine or activity to give a custom icon. If you click a routine, this page will show up. If you click Edit Routine, you'll see the same option to select an icon. We're going to go ahead and do it with an activity this time. If we click Walk the Dog, this activity page comes up. Next, we're just going to select Icon. After clicking Select Icon in either your Routines or Activities page, all your standard icon options will appear. Click the My Icons option, and then click Upload from Phone Gallery. This will let you upload any photo that you've taken and turn it into an icon. I've chosen the same photo of Teddy here, and now what you can do is drag and resize that image to make it exactly how you want it. You can do this by pinching your screen and dragging the circle around. When you're all done, click Choose at the bottom. Now that you've created an icon, it will appear in the My Icon section. Select that icon, and then click Choose Selected Icon. Once you do this, your custom icon will appear in either your activity or your routine. If you run into any problems during this process, either deleting or uploading icons, simply log out and log back into your account.